So you're expecting twins. Congratulations! It's time to announce the big news to your friends and family. In this video, I'm going to share examples from your fellow twin parents of how they announced the exciting news that they are expecting twins to their friends and family. My name is Joe Rawlinson. I am the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. So let's jump straight in to these examples. Thing 1 and Thing 2. Classic characters from Dr. Seuss. Nothing says double trouble more than the Dr. Seuss Thing 1 and Thing 2 from the Cat in the Hat book. Use text like, "One baby is fun, but," insert your name, "is having two." Make sure that your announcement shares some of the emotion and shock that you've experienced when you found out that you were having twins. Capture a photo of you and your spouse and or your family looking shocked and staring at a twin ultrasound picture. If you've got law enforcement in your family or you have the props to pull it off, try this police and jailbreaker twin announcement. Put your friends and family to the test with this twin math quiz. Take a picture of your spouse and any kids you already have, add a plus sign, mom, and equal sign, and the number of the new size of your family. People will do a double take to try to figure out how that math is possible, and then they'll realize you're having twins. In addition to making cute onesies for your twins, this copy and paste theme can be used to announce your twins to the world. It's helpful to combine with an ultrasound picture to complete the surprise. We all know the stress about paying for twins, plus you'll have your hands full caring for them. As such, there won't be much time or money for hobbies, at least in the early months. Use a picture like this. You have to sell your boat because you are expecting twins. Does dad like to hunt? Grow your hunting party with a twin pregnancy announcement like this, where we're adding 2 to daddy's hunting group. Are you and your spouse fit parents? Try this CrossFit-inspired twin pregnancy announcement. Use a dad and mom-sized kettlebells, and then use little bitty twin baby kettlebells. Look at you and that lucky roll you got to get twins. I bet you never thought, back when you were a kid, that you'd be having twins when you landed on that space in the game of life. Well, now you're twinning like a pro. Do you have fur babies in your house? There are plenty of ways to use your dogs or your cats to help announce the good news that you're having twins. Wait, you're having how many? If you already have some furry friends in your home, have them announce the twin pregnancy. Bonus points if you can get your dogs or cats to have a fun, shocked, or disappointed look on their faces. Another fun announcement for your twins is to have the siblings announce it to your family. You can shock your other children, take pictures of that moment, and then share that reaction with your family to announce the twins. Or if there's a bigger brother, you can have him or bigger sister hold up the picture of the ultrasound, indicating that 2 more will be joining the family. You can dress your children up and have them announce your twins to the world. This can be custom t-shirts or other creative means. Wax poetic and craft your twin announcement, and then take a beautiful family picture. Twice the blessing, twice the fun, 2 miracles instead of 1. Do you know those classic baby on board signs that hang in car windows? Here's your chance to twinify that with a twins on board sign to announce your babies. What is your favorite movie? Go ahead and grab a movie poster from your favorite flick and customize it to announce your twins. Yes, you'll need a few Photoshop skills, but the result is sure to be hilarious. Who doesn't love kicking your feet up and relaxing? Since you won't be doing any of that after the twins arrive, you might as well use it in your twin pregnancy announcement. If you're big football fans or sports fans in your house, use that to announce your twins' pending arrival. This is really fun when you and your spouse are fans of different teams. Proclaim, "Our team has already won." Everybody loves fortune cookies. Invite your friends over for dinner or a party and let them open these fortune cookies to announce your twin pregnancy. Do you love to cook? Use your kitchen and culinary supplies to cook up a unique twin pregnancy announcement. If you're a Star Wars fan like me, try announcing your pending Clone Wars. Better yet, grab one of my famous "My Sons Are Clones" or "My Daughters Are Clones" t-shirts from twintshirtcompany.com to complete the announcement. You can always use a book that you already have or buy one that will work. Modify the cover just a little bit to announce the fact that you will be expecting twins. Have a chalkboard? You can make a twin announcement on that board with creative and stylish lettering and designs. Twin pregnancy announcement poems often work well on chalkboard style announcements. For example, "Pink or blue, either will do." "We're not having 1 baby, we're having 2. Or "Pink or blue, mommy is due, not with 1, but 2. Candy hearts are plentiful around Valentine's Day. If your pregnancy is close to that date, you can make these fun twin pregnancy announcements. Your announcement can say, "We're blessed to announce 2 sweet additions to our family." If you're finding out about twins around Easter or they're due near Easter, use all of those leftover eggs and decorations to your advantage in announcing your twins. Why not share a twin announcement that really helps people feel how you felt when you got the news? This announcement will do just that. put a fun phrase together like, our family is growing by 4 feet and 2 hearts. At first, people will have to think about it, and then they'll realize, oh, it's twins. If the season is right, you can highlight your growing pumpkin patch. Head down to the pumpkin patch, get some pumpkins, make sure there's 2, and away you go. If it's near Halloween, share an X-ray with your friends. Our little monsters are due. Hey, so which of these announcements was your favorite? Or maybe you've used one already that you enjoyed. Go ahead and leave a comment on this video of which was your favorite twin pregnancy announcement. If you would like additional tips and tricks on preparing for, having, and raising your twins, check out some of these other videos on my channel and subscribe to the channel for the latest videos. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share with your fellow parents of twins as well. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.